Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Volvo XC90 cabin air filter. This is an easy guide to help you breathe cleaner air in your vehicle. First, gather your tools. You will need a new cabin air filter, specifically designed for your XC90 and a Torx 25 screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, taking only about 15 minutes of your time. Let's get started. Now let's locate the filter. The cabin air filter in your Volvo XC90 is conveniently situated behind the glove box. To access it, simply open your glove box and remove any items inside to give yourself ample working space. Next, look at the bottom of the glove box. You will find two Torx 25 screws. Carefully remove these screws to prepare for the next step. This part is straightforward and sets the stage for filter access. With the screws removed, gently pull the glove box downwards. This action will reveal the cabin air filter housing cover. You will notice two small retaining clips on this cover. Unclip them carefully. Once unclipped, you can easily slide out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Take note of its orientation. Now, insert your brand new filter, making sure the airflow arrow on the filter points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. This ensures proper air circulation. Great job, you're almost done. Now, reattach the filter housing cover by clipping it firmly back into place. Once the cover is secure, push the glove box back up into its original position and reinsert the two Torx 25 screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently until snug. That's it. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Enjoy the benefits of significantly improved air quality and a much fresher, more pleasant driving environment in your Volvo XC90. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.